Here we've got BLAUPUNKT SF, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to pick sound, and now go down a bit where you will notice Do Not Disturb. Simply open it, and here you can open priority only allow, so you can personalize your Do Not Disturb mode on the priority only allows mode, so you can switch on and off reminders here. Also events, let me leave events. Then you can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of the above. So let me pick contacts only, and you can also specify calls, so we can leave start contacts only. And finally, you can activate the repeat colors function, so if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period, it will allow it. So if you want to activate this function, simply tap on the switcher. Let me go back. Then you can set some automatic rules. So for example, click me on other rule, and here you can pick time rule or event rule. So let me pick time rule. Let me name it, so it can be night. Click on OK. And now let's personalize it. So we've got the rule name. It's time to select the days on which it should be active. So let me switch off Sunday and Saturday, so it will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Click on done. Then let's pick the start hour, so it can be 11 p.m. and then the end hour can be at 6 a.m. next day. Then let's pick Do Not Disturb mode so it can be priority only, alarms only, or total silence. So let me pick total silence. And then let's activate alarm can override end time function, because it's truly important in the morning. So let me go back. And finally, you can also block visual disturbances. So simply open this tab, and now you can specify if you would like to block when screen is on and when screen is off. So it's up to you. Then you can have a quick access to the Do Not Disturb mode through the upper bar. So simply open it, slide down twice to do it, and then click on Do Not Disturb here. And now you can switch it on and off by tapping on the switcher. It's off, and now it's on. Click on done. But you can also specify the mode, so let me open it, and you can pick either total silence, alarms only, or priority only. Obviously you can switch it on until you turn this off manually, or you can enable it for some particular period of time, so for example for 3 hours. Click on done. And that's it. This is how you can activate, use and personalize Do Not Disturb mode in your BLAUPUNKT SF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.